A useful function in Excel is the if function. This is a logical test applied to a set of data to see if it meets specific criteria. It will return one value if the test is true and another value if the test is false. So it allows you to display a customized message in one cell depending on the value in another. So in other words, you're asking Excel to look at some data, and if it meets a certain condition, it should then return a specific message. If it doesn't meet that condition, it should then display a different message. Now, the best way to demonstrate this function is to have a look at an example. So now in this example here, we have the projected income from courses hoped to be run in a summer school. Now, it may be decided to only run courses which will bring in an income of £3,000 or more. So we can apply the if function here to see which courses should run and which should be cancelled. Now, to see if the acting course is financially worth running, we can click on C4 and we can click on the Formulas tab on the ribbon and we get our Insert Function icon. We click on that, we'll get our Insert Function box. Now in the search box, you can type in if and click on Go. And you notice that the if function is here at the top of the list. Now make sure it's highlighted and click on OK. Now here we get our function arguments box. Now the if function is in three parts, and we first have a logical test to establish. Now the logical test will be if B4, which is the income coming in from the acting course, if that is greater or equal to 3,000, we would like Excel to return a value of available. Now if B4 is not equal or greater than 3,000, we would like Excel to return a value of cancel. Now if we press OK, we see that C4 has returned a value of available. And we notice that the acting course is bringing in over 8,500, so the course should run. Now if we click onto the fill handle at the bottom of the cell, we can now replicate that argument or function to the rest of the courses, and we can now see what courses should run and what should be cancelled.